Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Houston Apartments. Hey, we're at the 1010 Waugh, and we're gonna look at this B14 floor plan. It's gorgeous. It is a 2-bedroom, and it's got a den. So we've walked in right over here. It looks like we've got a beautiful bathroom. This is like a guest bathroom. It's very gorgeous. And then in here, you've got a really nice tub. It's gorgeous. You've got a very nice closet, very attractive. And then over here, we've got a really nice room. This is one of the bedrooms, super pretty. It's this one has views of the pool that we've seen. Very lovely. We're gonna walk through here, and then we've got this is the study. Sorry, the study is here. It's beautiful. It's also got views of the pool. It's pretty much closed off. It just has this one kind of door opening, so you could technically even use this for a guest quarter if you need just an extra overnight guest sleeping area. Got a really good area here. This is where it gets beautiful. Just a nice bar area and storage area over here. And then look at this. This is just beautiful. Look at all these windows, floor-to-ceiling windows with a fantastic kitchen. The kitchen is just sumptuous. There's gas to cook with and beautiful appliances. It's white, very light, creamy, looks good. The floor is just delightful too. Everything looks delightful here. It's a very beautiful apartment, and it's got a very nice balcony out there as well. Gorgeous balcony. Here's bedroom number 2 here. Very nice, lovely. It has very nice, almost floor-to-ceiling windows here too. Beautiful floors. And then look in this gorgeous, wow, just stunning bath. I love the dual sinks that are here. And then it's got a walk-in shower, and then the walk-in showers here, and then a separated tub. It has a very massive, huge, wow, I'm walking into this closet, and I'm delighted with it. Man, just beautiful, gorgeous walk-in closet. It's a beautiful space, and man, I love these floor-to-ceiling windows. Hey, if you're ready to take a tour, I'd like to suggest you send me a text on the number below. Say, hey Grant, I'd love to go ahead and do a live iPhone tour, and I'll set that up for you. Be happy to, as early as today. If you'd like to also do a tour of several apartments in the area, I'd be happy to set that up as well. It's a part of our free service. You could see 4 apartments on your iPhone from wherever you're at literally today. Hey, I look forward to hearing from you. Send me a text, and I look forward to talking with you now.